Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So today we're doing another video in atomic structure and electron configuration. So let's get moving. Bam! Today we're talking about an intro to electron configurations and orbital box diagrams. Okay, so really brief introduction here. So what we need to know is our initial assumption here is that electrons are in the ground state. That is the lowest energy possible, not an excited state. That would be a presumption for all of these. Excited electrons will be discussed later on at another time. Okay, just a quick little reminder that neutral atoms have a corresponding number of electrons that is equal to the atomic number. The atomic number is the Z. Again, ions will be discussed later on too. That is a loss of electrons or a gain of electrons. Okay, you're going to imagine the electron configuration as a counting method, using the positive whole numbers to represent electrons, starting with Z equals 1. Okay, so you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., following the atomic numbers. Okay, the maximum number of electrons in an orbital is 2. And I'm going to repeat that. Okay, the maximum number of electrons in an orbital is 2. I'm hoping that you remember this standard nuclear notation, which is the AXZ right there. I'm going to circle the Z. The Z is corresponding to the atomic number. And in a neutral element, Z, the atomic number, is the number of protons, and the number of protons would equal the number of electrons in a neutral element. So we're counting up the electron configuration, so the number of electrons is equal to the Z, which is the atomic number, which is the number of protons in a neutral element. We'll be discussing some ions later on, okay? And that's just either a gain or loss of a certain number of electrons. All right, hopefully that makes sense for just a brief introduction for you. And then we're going to go on to more videos here with that in just a moment. But before that, I'm going to rock your world by having a crazy hat. Because rock lobster. I got a lobster, and you can't beat that. Give me a thumbs up if you feel like that video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. More subscriptions, the better. Pass it on to your friends, in fact, too, who want to learn chemistry. Rock lobster, baby!